SendPulse offers 4 pricing plans: Free, Standard, Pro, and Enterprise. The cost depends on the number of contacts you have and the features you need. Here's a quick breakdown. Free plan. This plan is forever free and allows you to have up to 500 contacts. It includes basic features like email marketing, landing pages, and SMS. Standard plan. This plan starts at $6.40 per month for up to 500 contacts. It includes all the features of the free plan, plus automation workflows and segmentation. Pro plan. This plan starts at $7.68 per month for up to 500 contacts. It includes all the features of the standard plan, plus A/B testing, a landing page builder, and SMTP access. Enterprise plan. This plan requires contacting SendPulse for a custom quote. It's designed for high-volume email senders and includes all the features of the Pro plan, plus dedicated sender IP, priority support, and manager accounts. Don't forget to use the link in the description to try SendPulse for free.